Organize your sewing and craft space, or any other space that you prefer, with labels. The Brother D210 is a compact labeling machine that is widely used at home as well as in offices to create labels to organize all of your spaces. It can print on a variety of different tapes to create labels that will make organizing anywhere very easy. In this overview video, I will cover some of the important features of this machine, as well as the different types of tapes that can be used in it, and some ideas of where you can use them too. Now, the tapes can be applied to a variety of surfaces, so labeling and organizing will be fun as well as easy to do. Now, you can use the D210 machine for labels, as I mentioned, in the office, the home, sewing or craft storage areas, as well as for personal belongings. You can also use the labels on gifts and items to sell. The machine can be battery operated for complete portability, or you can use an electric power adapter. Now, the cassettes of tape are very easy to remove and replace because they simply click into place. Now, the clear window on the back of the machine allows you to see which type of tape is in the machine and how much tape is left on the cassette. The machine has 14 different fonts, which are available in 3 different sizes. You can change the text alignment, you can change the text style and width, you can choose from uppercase or lowercase, and you can even add accents to your text. The machine can print 2 lines of text, and you can choose from the selection of 99 different frame options to put borders around your labels, or if you want them borderless, you can simply leave the frame setting off. The machine has several categories of both basic and pictograph symbols that you can choose from to create your own unique labels. There are 17 pre-made templates that you can add your own text to, as well as 10 pre-made patterns. Just before we look at the different label types and ideas of where to use them, my name is Shireen Haynes, owner of Sew & Craft. Being creative and teaching are my passions, and I've been teaching sewing, craft, decor, digitizing, and how to use sewing and craft machines full-time since 1993. Now, if you would like to know more about my easy-to-follow step-by-step video lessons, please feel free to visit my website. The link is in the description box below this video, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like and share with like-minded people, because this helps me to spread the word that sewing and crafting are fun. Thank you. Now let's look at the different types of tapes that can be used in the D210 machine, and we'll start with the TZE laminated tapes. Now, the black on white TZE tapes are available in 3 different widths for the D210 labeling machine. They are also available in clear, which is ideal for glass and mirrors, as well as a variety of different colors and patterns too. The laminated TZE tapes consist of 7 layers of materials, which results in a thin but extremely strong label. Now, the labels are virtually indestructible and can withstand even the harshest conditions, either indoors or outdoors. Now, with the excellent resistance to water, abrasion, chemicals, and temperature extremes, they are designed to last and last. Because the laminated labels are oven-proof, freezer-proof, and dishwasher-proof, you can use them on a variety of items in the kitchen. The laminated labels are so useful in the office for all sorts of different applications. Another handy feature for the office is to use the number print function to print labels that are in a specific number sequence. So all you would do is type in the first number only, then select the numbering application, and then type in the last number that you want in the sequence and print. Now the machine will fill the in-between numbers in automatically and print them. Once they are printed, you cut the labels apart and use them as required, like for example to number filing boxes. Now you can use this function on any series of numbers. It doesn't matter what the numbers are. Here in my craft and sewing room, I've labelled my storage trays that contain all of my sewing accessories, as well as my tape dispensers, my machine needle trays, and beading boxes. I've also labelled my scan and cut machine storage container and the trays where I store my scan and cut kits and extras. All of my wallets for vinyl and cardboard pieces, files with instruction manuals, as well as books and albums are all labelled with the laminated TZE tape. They can also be used in the garden to label pots and seedlings. Besides the plain coloured tapes, there are patterned, premium and pastel coloured tapes available. The other type of tape that is available is the iron-on fabric tape. Now this is available in background colours of pink, yellow, blue and white. So all you need to do is pop your fabric tape cassette into your machine, print and then iron the label onto the fabric using a regular domestic iron. Now you can label garments and other personal items, including bed and table linen. There is also a satin ribbon tape which is available in a variety of different colors. Now these satin ribbons are ideal for labeling table linen as well as quilts, bed linen and towels, aprons and garments, a variety of different bags, and even soft toys. These are just a few samples to show how useful and versatile the Brother PT D210 labeling machine is. If you purchase your Brother D210 machine from Sew & Craft, and you can see the website for details and shipping information, you will be given free access to my step-by-step video lessons that cover all aspects of the machine. However, if you already own the D210 machine, there is a link in the description box below this video to my step-by-step video lessons that cover all aspects of the machine. So now you don't have to spend countless hours trying to find videos online that give you hundreds of tiny puzzle pieces that you still have to piece together, because in these videos you will find all of the pieces arranged in a logical sequence and easy for you to follow. Now, if you would like to have access to more of my videos like this with hints, tips and techniques that are all about sewing, craft, decor and digitizing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon and the like button to help me spread the word that sewing and crafting are fun.